Your fate is built in your mind. Here are 10 steps you should try. Number 1, having a positive mind. Constructive thinking helps in achieving goals, whereas negative thoughts let people spiral into self-doubt and failure. It is important to have a positive outlook since it helps with one's self-development and success. Number 2, importance of self-awareness. We bring up the point of self-awareness to understand one's self-thought patterns and emotions. Once an individual becomes aware of negative thoughts and limitations, they are ready for change. Self-checking is crucial in addressing the developmental aspects of one's life. Number 3, how can mindset change everything? As we discussed, there is the notion of a growth mindset as well as a fixed mindset. We further add that to have self-belief, or the belief to be able to grow, is absolutely critical in being resilient and being able to face overwhelming challenges. Having such a development-oriented mindset only allows for growth and progression in life. Number 4, manifestation. The lesson depicts visualization as an effective technique for obtaining desires. We encourage readers to watch this depiction of refined imagination and future projection, where the intention correlates with emotions. Number 5, affirmations for alteration. We encourage the use of affirmations for purposes of mindset change. We can use positive affirmations to curb negative self-talk and increase self-esteem. By regularly repeating affirmations, people seem to develop courage and be spurred to action on their targets. Number 6, the concept of attraction. We elaborate on the concept of the law of attraction, which states that what is put into the universe is what is received. We urge the audience to practice positive thinking and feelings, as they are given the ability to attract good things within reach. We are encouraging the readers to be positive so as to attract positivity in their lives. Number 7, conquering anxiety and insecurity. We pay attention to pervasive and debilitating issues such as fear and self-doubt that keep people from reaching their full potential. We suggest practical ways to beat these barriers, such as pushing away negative thoughts and making small changes for targets, and gradually increasing the level of confidence. Number 8, the role of Northwest Coast American art in contemporary culture. An American cup, bowl, or plate can satisfy a hunger stronger than the desire for food. Wright underscores the importance of the persistence and hard work put into art making. We also hammers it in that obstacles are inevitable, and it is important never to lose hope, but rather try to think of how to get through the rough times. Seemingly never-ending times of tough situations opens the door for persistence and vision to shine through JP. Is overcoming through overcoming adversity and escaping. Number 9, surround yourself with positivity. It is not money that gives strength, but attitude and vision. To achieve exceptional success, we argue that both material possessions and knowledge have little significance. Number 10, realizing visions. Desire for leisure distracts one from formidable competition. One cannot achieve the realization of vision while sitting back and relaxing with no goal in mind. Now the time has come for listeners to get in action and achieve everything they set their mind to.